Hello viewers, I am Bernali and you are watching Niche English. In today's video, I am going to recommend to you some books that I consider to be easy read. As we all know that reading is an important skill that we need to develop if you want to speak or if you want to develop your proficiency in any language. But most often we don't pick the right kind of book and we end up not finishing the book or finding it reluctant to pick a new one. But the book that I am going to recommend you today are super easy to read and they're bound to make you fall in love with reading. So let's start. The first category of books that I would like to suggest is the comic books. The best thing about the comic book is that they are full of pictures and the language is pretty easy to read. There are a variety of comic books available in the market like the Panchatantra, Amar Chitrakatha, Chacha Chaudhary, Akbar Birbal, Tenali Raman and many more. And you can easily find these books in Amazon or Flipkart, and I have also provided the link of few of the books in the description below, and you can check it out after you finish watching this video. And I know comic books are usually read by children, but for the beginners who want to start reading for the first time, they serve the purpose really well. The second category of books that I would like to suggest are the mystery books or the adventure books. And we have a lot of good writers who write stories of this genre, like for example, The Magic of the Lost Temple by Sudha Murthy. Then we have the Secret School Mysteries by Ashok Banker. Then we have Gulliver's Travel by Jonathan Swift. Then we have Adventure of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. And of course my favorite writer Ruskin Bond, who has quite a lot of collection of short stories which are very interesting and intriguing. And there is one very good collection of Arabian folk tales in the form of 1001 Nights. It's a really good book, and the stories are very interesting, very intriguing, and you would really enjoy, I think. So that was all the collection of books that I have read and I thought you would find interesting and easy to read. But if you think that these books are are a little childish for you and you want to go to a little higher level, then you can read books written by Chetan Bhagat, Amish Tripathi, Nikita Singh or Dujoy Datta. All of these are very good writers and they write very interesting and intriguing stories, and their language is very easy to read. And apart from that, I would like to share a very interesting fact with you, or not fact, actually I would like to give you a tip which I used to apply myself. And the tip is that whenever I came across a particular phrase or a sentence which I thought is very interesting or which I liked very much, I used to write that in my diary. And I used to read those phrases or sentences at my leisure, so that I can use those sentences or phrases whenever I could find an opportunity to speak or use those words or phrases or sentences or whatever. So you can also do that and it really helps. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of our video, and if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe our channel.